Hello, I would like to share my testimony of fasting when I was sick with the COVID. Isaiah chapter 2, verse 22. Sever yourselves from such a man whose breath is in his nostrils, for of what account is he? At the end of last year, the number of COVID patients was at its peak. There was not enough emergency rooms, and the number of people dying every day increased. A lot of pastors I knew went to heaven, and while I planned the mission trip in Turkey, I couldn't go. Um, all the stop my ministry. Physically, I had a fever seriously, and my eyes were very sore. There was no information about eye soreness and pain. Just to took the Tylenol and no medicine at all. The fear of that surrounded myself and my family. So I decided to fast. Rather than asking about God's will, I wanted to focus on spending time with God. If it was the last time I had left, I wanted to give my time to God. It was like preparing for that. My family objected and warned me that I could die if I was fast. I fasted. But the moment the fast began, the world was so quiet and peaceful. My tears flowed in the praise. That night it rained heavily. The sound was comforting, the amazing. It was as if God were weeping together with me. After fasting, the first thing I noticed was that my eyes healed, even though I still had a COVID. And the second thing, me and my family have a hope. So we picked up the many shoes box of donation uh, for missionary field in Mexico. And third thing, we realized uh, unless God permits, we will never die from the COVID. All life belongs to God. To those who prayed for me and my family, I was able to give a message of strength and hope from God. I'm proud of the pastors who died while caring for others despite the horrible pandemic. We will meet them soon. Christians are always on the front lines and help us in difficult times. If we do not depend on their life, the day of God, the peace that God gives will be achieved. Thank you.